Warren Buffett, a name synonymous with financial success, the Oracle of Omaha, a legend in the world of investing. His story is not just about making money, it's about achieving extraordinary wealth through simple, timeless principles. Born in the heartland of America, Buffett's journey is an inspiration to everyone. From a young age, he displayed a keen interest in business and investing. He started small, but his vision was always big. Today, he stands as one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, is a global conglomerate. It holds a vast portfolio of successful businesses. But Buffett's story is not about privilege or luck. It's about hard work, dedication, and a deep understanding of the financial world. He mastered the art of investing. He learned to identify value where others saw none. He built his fortune brick by brick, always staying true to his principles. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips for financial success. Share this video with your friends and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Buffett's story resonates with people from all walks of life. Why? Because it demonstrates that financial success is attainable. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need a fancy degree. What you need is the right mindset, the right strategies, and the willingness to learn from the best. In this essay, we will unlock the secrets of Warren Buffett's success. We will delve into his investment philosophy, his guiding principles, and his timeless wisdom. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the insights you gain here can transform your financial future. Get ready to embark on a journey to financial freedom, a journey inspired by the Oracle of Omaha himself. Let's explore the strategies that can make your money work harder and smarter. Let's uncover the secrets to building lasting wealth, just like Warren Buffett. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it gathers snow, it grows larger and larger. That's the power of compound interest. It's like a snowball of wealth, gaining momentum over time. Warren Buffett understood this principle from a young age. He started investing early, allowing his money to compound for decades. Each year, his earnings generated more earnings. This snowball effect is what propelled his wealth to extraordinary heights. The key to compound interest is time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts, invested consistently, can grow into significant sums over the long term. It's like planting a tree. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Time is your greatest ally in the quest for financial freedom. Warren Buffett often says, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." He's talking about the importance of long-term thinking. Don't get caught up in the get-rich-quick schemes. Building wealth takes time, patience, and discipline. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the long game. Focus on making smart investments and letting them grow over time. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a fortune. Stay focused on your goals, avoid impulsive decisions, and let the power of compound interest work its magic. Pause. 3S, the rule of 72. Here's a simple trick to understand the power of compound interest. It's called the rule of 72. Divide 72 by the interest rate you expect to earn. The result is approximately how many years it will take for your money to double. For example, if you earn a 7% return, your money will double in about 10 years. That's 72 divided by 7, which equals 10.3. Now imagine that doubling happening again and again over decades. That's the magic of compounding. Even small differences in returns can make a huge difference over time. That's why it's crucial to focus on investments that generate consistent, long-term growth. Remember, the rule of 72 is your friend. Use it to your advantage. The tortoise and the hare. Remember the story of the tortoise and the hare? The hare was fast and flashy. He darted ahead, confident in his speed. The tortoise, on the other hand, was slow and steady. He plodded along, never losing sight of the finish line. In the world of investing, Warren Buffett is the tortoise. He's not interested in chasing quick profits or jumping on the latest trends. He understands that slow and steady wins the race. He's in it for the long haul. Buffett's long-term investment mindset is a key to his success. He looks for companies with solid fundamentals. He invests in businesses he understands, and he's willing to hold on to those investments for years, even decades. Riding out the storms. The stock market is like the ocean. It can be calm and serene one moment, then without warning, a storm can erupt. Prices can plummet. Investors can panic. But Warren Buffett doesn't fear these storms. He knows they are part of the journey. Buffett's long-term perspective allows him to ride out the storms. He doesn't get spooked by short-term fluctuations. He knows that over time, the market tends to go up. He keeps his eyes on the horizon, not the waves crashing around him. This ability to stay calm under pressure is a hallmark of Buffett's investing style. He doesn't make impulsive decisions. He doesn't follow the herd. He sticks to his principles, even when the market is in turmoil. The power of patience. Patience is a virtue, and it's also a powerful tool for building wealth. Warren Buffett's patience is legendary. He's willing to wait for the right opportunities. He's not afraid to hold on to investments for years, even if they don't perform immediately. This patience is not about being passive. It's about being disciplined. It's about having the conviction to stick with your investment strategy, even when it's tempting to deviate. Buffett understands that the best investments often take time to bear fruit. He's like a gardener who plants a seed and patiently tends to it, knowing that in time, it will grow into a strong and healthy plant. Seeking value in a crowded market. Imagine a bustling marketplace, merchants hawking their wares, crowds jostling for bargains. In this sea of noise and activity, it's easy to get swept up in the excitement. But Warren Buffett takes a different approach. He enters the market with a discerning eye. He's not looking for just any deal. He's searching for true value. Value investing is the cornerstone of Buffett's strategy. It's about looking beyond the hype. It's about ignoring the noise. It's about finding those hidden gems that the market has overlooked. Like a detective searching for clues, Buffett digs deep into a company's financials. He analyzes their earnings, their assets, their management team. He's looking for companies that are trading for less than they're actually worth. He's looking for those diamonds in the rough. The margin of safety, Buffett's shield against losses. Investing always involves risk, but Warren Buffett has a way of minimizing that risk. He calls it the margin of safety. It's about buying stocks at a price significantly lower than their intrinsic value. Think of it as a buffer zone, a cushion against potential losses. Buffett understands that even the best investors can make mistakes. Companies can stumble. Markets can turn unexpectedly. That's why he insists on a margin of safety. It's his insurance policy against the unknown. By buying stocks at a discount, Buffett gives himself room for error. If the market dips, his losses are minimized. And if the company performs well, his gains are amplified. The margin of safety is a powerful tool for protecting your investments and maximizing your returns. Patience pays off, waiting for the right price. In the world of investing, patience is a virtue. Warren Buffett understands this better than anyone. He's willing to wait for the right opportunity. He's not afraid to sit on the sidelines while others are chasing the latest hot stock. He knows that good things come to those who wait. Buffett's patience is evident in his investment approach. He's not afraid to hold on to stocks for years, even decades. He's not swayed by short-term market fluctuations. He's focused on the long game. He's waiting for the right moment to strike. Like a skilled hunter stalking its prey, Buffett bides his time. He observes the market carefully. He waits for the perfect moment to make his move. And when that moment arrives, he acts decisively. His patience is rewarded with exceptional returns. The detective of Wall Street. Warren Buffett is like a financial detective. He approaches investing with a keen eye for detail. He pores over financial statements looking for clues that others might miss. He's not afraid to dig deep, to uncover the hidden truths about a company. Buffett understands that knowledge is power. The more you know about a company, the better equipped you are to make informed investment decisions. He doesn't rely on rumors or speculation. He goes straight to the source, analyzing the company's financial health, its management team, and its competitive landscape. Just as a detective gathers evidence to solve a case, Buffett gathers information to make investment decisions. He reads everything he can get his hands on: annual reports, industry publications, and market analyses. He leaves no stone unturned in his quest for knowledge. Beyond the balance sheet. Understanding the business. Warren Buffett doesn't just invest in numbers, he invests in businesses he understands. He believes that to truly evaluate a company, you need to grasp its underlying business model. How does it make money? What are its competitive advantages? What are the long-term prospects for its industry? Buffett looks beyond the balance sheet to understand the company's core operations. He wants to know what drives its profitability. He wants to see a clear path to future growth. He's not interested in companies with complicated or unsustainable business models. He prefers businesses that are easy to understand and have a durable competitive edge. Like a chess master thinking several moves ahead, Buffett anticipates industry trends and positions his investments accordingly. Knowledge is power. Buffett's reading habit. Warren Buffett is a voracious reader. He spends hours each day immersed in books, newspapers, and financial reports. He believes that knowledge is like compound interest. The more you accumulate, the more it grows. Buffett's reading habit is legendary. He's said to read hundreds of pages a day. He reads widely, from biographies of successful business leaders to industry journals to classic works of literature. He believes that learning is a lifelong pursuit, and he's constantly seeking new insights and perspectives that can inform his investment decisions. For Buffett, reading is not just a hobby, it's an essential part of his investment process. It's how he stays ahead of the curve. It's how he identifies opportunities that others miss. It's how he continues to learn and grow as an investor. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You've heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Warren Buffett lives by this principle. He understands that diversification is key to managing risk. Even the savviest investors can't predict the future with certainty. Companies can falter, industries can change. That's why it's crucial to spread your investments across different assets. Think of your investment portfolio like a well-balanced meal. You wouldn't want to eat only one type of food. Similarly, you don't want to concentrate all your investments in a single stock or sector. By diversifying, you create a safety net. If one investment performs poorly, others can cushion the blow. Diversification helps you weather market storms and come out stronger on the other side. The power of simplicity. Warren Buffett's investment philosophy is surprisingly simple. He doesn't believe in complicated financial instruments or get-rich-quick schemes. He sticks to what he knows and understands. He invests in companies with solid fundamentals, strong management teams, and durable competitive advantages. Buffett once said, "Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. This simple rule underscores his emphasis on capital preservation. Before you think about making big returns, focus on protecting what you have. Avoid investments that are overly risky or that you don't fully understand. Remember, simplicity is often the key to success. Don't overcomplicate your investment strategy. Stick to the fundamentals and you'll be well on your way to building wealth. Living a life of purpose. Warren Buffett's life is a testament to the power of living below your means. Despite his immense wealth, he's known for his frugality. He lives in a modest home, drives a simple car, and enjoys simple pleasures. Buffett understands that true wealth is not about ostentatious displays of riches. It's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms. It's about pursuing your passions, giving back to others, and making a difference in the world. By living below your means, you free up more resources to invest and grow your wealth. You also cultivate a sense of contentment and gratitude. You appreciate the value of money without being consumed by it. The legacy of the Oracle. Warren Buffett's legacy extends far beyond his financial success. He's a philanthropist, a role model, and an inspiration to millions. He's pledged to give away the majority of his wealth to charitable causes, demonstrating his commitment to making the world a better place. Buffett's story teaches us that financial success is attainable through hard work, discipline, and a commitment to ethical principles. It shows us that true wealth is not just about money, but about living a life of purpose, integrity, and generosity. By embracing Buffett's wisdom and incorporating his principles into our own lives, we can all strive to achieve financial freedom and leave a positive mark on the world. Warren Buffett's journey from a young boy in Omaha to a global icon of finance offers profound lessons for us all. His story is not about shortcuts or secret formulas. It's about the power of timeless principles applied consistently over decades. The Buffett blueprint, as we might call it, is surprisingly accessible. It begins with a mindset that embraces patience, discipline, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. Buffett teaches us that investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about carefully cultivating a garden of assets, nurturing them over time, and letting the magic of compounding work its wonders. He shows us that true wealth is not measured solely by the size of one's bank account, but by the impact we have on the world around us. The principles we've explored in this essay, the power of compound interest, the importance of a long-term perspective, the wisdom of value investing, the necessity of thorough research, the prudence of diversification, and the freedom found in living below one's means, these are not mere financial strategies, they are life strategies. By embracing the Buffett blueprint, we embark on a journey of self-discovery. We learn to master our impulses, to think critically, and to make decisions that align with our long-term goals. We develop the confidence to navigate the inevitable storms of the market and emerge stronger on the other side. Most importantly, we unlock the potential to live a life of purpose and meaning, knowing that our financial well-being is a means to an end, not an end in itself. As the ancient Chinese proverb reminds us, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The same holds true for our financial journeys. We may not all become billionaires like Warren Buffett, nor do we need to aspire to such heights. Success, in its truest sense, is about living a life aligned with our values, pursuing our passions, and making a meaningful contribution to the world. The wisdom of Warren Buffett serves as a guiding light on this journey. By embracing his principles, we empower ourselves to take control of our financial destinies, to build a future filled with opportunity, and to leave a lasting legacy for generations to come. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Let patience be your guide, knowledge your compass, and integrity your unwavering companion. The beauty of the Buffett blueprint is that it's never too late to start. Whether you're just beginning your career, approaching retirement, or somewhere in between, the principles we've explored can transform your financial future. Take that first step today. Invest in your education, seek out mentors, develop a plan and stick to it. The journey may be long, but the rewards are immeasurable. Remember, the greatest investment you can ever make is in yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.